Hey guys, it's Bui,
And Sthefon.
and today we'll be going over the last few days of development for a boss rush game. First and foremost, John Lamb was able to get the preliminary AI started. If you look at the top left, the AI is currently going through the behavior tree, trying to locate and chase the player and try to go into an attacking state. What's next for John Lamb is he's going to actually add the attacking animation, and we're going to figure out attacking. For the map itself,
So for the map itself, I've actually now added in the more detailed map. We've moved a little bit farther along the block out. I've now implemented the trim sheets that I was able to talk about before. So literally everything that's being used here, except for the drapes, would be one material that we're using. And so later, to break up the scene to make it less flat, we're going to be using like the landscape tool so that we can add in sand, some particles, and also obviously to change up the lighting and things like that.
something that we've also implemented is a stamina system. It's affected by rolling. We'll see if it's going to be affected by attacks, and it regenerates over time. Stamina is a very sensitive topic for Sthefon and me, at least, because we feel like a lot of companies or developers, they use stamina in a very lazy way to balance things.
I that's like one of the biggest things is we don't want stamina to take away from the game. You don't want to not enjoy something because of something, standing in the way of you getting to point B.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, obviously, stamina could be used in very good ways to balance things, right? Like, for example, spamming this roll could be very troublesome, but we don't want to punish the player for playing the game, right?
Exactly.
So, going off this, we have extended shop functionality. We have potions, stamina potion that works, healing potion. Speed potion is still to be implemented. Still trying to figure out how to get temporary buffs going on. Something to be noted for these shops is that even though we have these large data tables that have all this armor and all these consumables, only a select amount was shown. This is because we're filtering out any consumable, any armor, etc. that the player cannot access because of their level, right? It seems pointless to offer the player the highest level armor when they can't even equip it because they don't have enough money. So those are some things that we filtered out. Also, armor will affect your speed. So by wearing light armor, you will be faster, and wearing heavy armor, you will be slower, right? The speed differences aren't too noticeable right now because it's going to be off the balance further down the line when we start testing the game. What's next for us is to get attacking settled, specifically through gameplay ability systems. Getting these animations working better. For example, cleaning up the legs for attacking, being able to move while attacking, getting blocking down, right? And getting those animations onto the AI as well.
Exactly. And something on my end I would like to implement next time would be to add more props to the scene, obviously, to start building on the arena, and hopefully we can get a first look at the character that we can put in.
And so hopefully by the next time we see you guys, we will have a playable version that you guys can see. But other than that, as always, thank you for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Be well.